శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Good morning to all. In this session, I will cover the topic working with hyperlinks in HTML. The previous class, I am covered the topic working with images. What is hypertext? Hypertext markup language we are studying. Hypertext. What is hypertext? The clickable text is called hypertext. In web pages, we observe that sometimes whenever we are clicked some link on the web page, the browser will direct us to another page, another location. Those type of links are called hyperlink. Hyperlink means the clickable text is called a hypertext. Okay, whenever we are clicked the link means the browser will direct us to another page. In this session, okay, this class is exclusively about working with hyperlinks only. Okay, approximately I will take the time 30 to 40 minutes. We will see next. Okay, hypertext links, only one topic. Okay, hypertext means to make a hypertext in an HTML. To make hypertext in an HTML page, use the anchor tag. In order to get the hypertext, what text we will use? In order to get hypertext, we will use this tag A and /A. This is the tag. A and /A is the tag. In order to get hypertext, we will use this tag A and /A tags. Which are the tags used to define the links? Once again, all this session, all these 30 minutes I am discussed about, we will discuss about only one tag, anchor tag. Anchor tag means clickable text. Okay, hypertext. Whatever the text between A and /A, all the text is called hypertext. The clickable text can be generated using anchor tags, A and /A tags. Which are the tags used to define the links? Anchor tag indicates that where the hyperlink starts. A tag, within this A and /A, this tag indicates that where this one starts, hyperlink starts. And /A, closing element, less than symbol, /A, greater than symbol. This is called closing tag. The closing tag indicates that where it ends. Okay, in anchor tag A and /A, the A tag indicates that where the hypertext starts. /A tag indicates that where the hypertext ends. Whenever text gets added to those inside the tags, whatever it may be inside the text, this will work as hyperlink. Okay, add the URL of the link. Just how we can add a link, URL can be added using the attribute href. href. This is the important attribute of the anchor tag. Just I am increasing the size. Okay, href. href equal to hyper reference. href. This is the attribute of the previously. For the image also we have seen number of attributes. What are the various attributes of the image? Just type it in the live chat section. What are the various attributes of the image? Okay, various attributes of the image are the basic attributes. Very, very important attribute is src. Next attribute is alt. Next attribute, we can set the height and width of the image using height and width attributes. Align attributes, we can set the align of the image using align. Next, title attribute. Whenever the mouse cursor comes onto the image, that will be displayed using the title attributes. Align, v align. These are the attributes of the image tag. For the anchor tag, also the number of attributes is there. Among all the attributes, the rank 1 goes to the first attribute. Very, very important attribute is href. Href stands for hyperreference. Whatever the text is there between A and slash A, we are calling the text as hypertext. Whenever we click the text, the reference will be goes to the whatever the address specified in the href, the control will be go to the href. Okay, one of the attribute is href attribute. Okay, target we will see next. First we will see the now I will write the program using anchor tag. Okay, for this class 4, for the class 4 I am creating the folder class 4 MVRWT Web Technologies. This is the our programming folder. In this programming folder, I have created the folder class 4. We will see the programs related to anchor tag here. Just this is the file I am opening with Notepad++. Edit with Notepad++. Okay, we must install Notepad++ software. Okay, those who are first class to these web technologies. Okay, please go through all the previous classes also. Okay, first we have to install Notepad++. This is the software. Just in Google, go to the Notepad and type Notepad++, install it. It is very easy. Okay, today all the programs we will do in the folder class 4 folder. This is the folder class 4. All the programs using anchor tag we will do here. Okay, next Notepad++ is installed. Okay, I am opening. I am writing the first program using anchor tag. Today the tag we have discussed is anchor tag. This is the starting of the tag. The end of the tag is /a. This is the end of the tag. Starting of the tag, end of the tag. A/a. Whatever the text between these A and /a, this is called hypertext. Hypertext. What are the important number of attributes is there for anchor tag also? Among all, the important attributes is href. Href equal to href stands for what is the href stands for hyper reference. Hyper reference. Href stands for hyper reference. Okay, we will do the first program new. Okay, just I am naming the file save as. Okay, what is the type of the file? HTML file. Okay, I am giving the name as CSE underscore hypertext. The name of the file is like this CSE underscore hypertext1 dot html. The file can be saved within the folder class 4 as CSE hypertext1 dot html. Okay, HTML, every HTML program, just I am repeating the same dialogues. Every HTML program starts with which tags? HTML. This is next onwards I will do copy and paste this code. Okay, HTML/HTML. Next, header section, HEAD slash head. This is the header section. In header section I am placing the title, title, slash title. The same thing, number of for any program, title indicates on the browser at the top it will display. Okay, hypertext. Okay, in the header, after completion of the header section, next body section, body slash body section. In this body section I am writing this is page 1. Okay, one message is there, page 1. This is page 1. What is the name of the file? CSE hypertext1.html. I am creating another file also, file new Just I am copying this code, Control A, Control C and Control V, save as CSC hypertext 2. CSC hypertext 2. The name of this file is CSC hypertext 2. Once again I am creating the new file, file new. Just here file, save as hypertext 2. What is the type of the file? Don't forget this one, this is important one. The type of the file is HTML, CSC hypertext 2. Okay, new file, file, save as another file, CSC hypertext 3. Save. Okay, same code I am pasting this one. This is the second HTML page. This is page 2. This is the third HTML page. This is page 3. Now we will write the code. In this one, this is page 1. This is page 1. I am writing here anchor tag. Go to page 2 slash anchor tag. Okay, anchor tag we will write like this, a slash a, go to page 2. I am saved this one, CSC hypertext dot one. I am opening the file in the browser. Okay, CSC hypertext dot one. Just open in the Chrome browser. Okay, see here. What is the title here? Hypertext. Hypertext is the title of this web page. This is page 1. Go to page 2. I want go to page 2 to be appeared on the next line, not on the side of this is page 1. In order to appear that message in the next line, what we have to write here? H break. Whenever BR is appeared, the next text will appear next line onwards. Okay, go to page 2. Control S. I am saving this file. Just refresh. Press the button F5. Refresh. Go to page 2. If I click go to means what will happen? Nothing will happen. Just my requirement is if I press the go to means the control will have to go to the second page. Okay. CSC HTML 2 dot page. Okay, what is the attribute of the anchor tag? Anchor tag is used for clickable text. Whatever the text appeared between a and slash a considered as hypertext. The attribute for the anchor tag is okay href. Href equal to just I am writing second page. Control V. CSC hypertext 2 dot html. Okay, if we click the go to page 2 means this will be the browser will redirect the page to second page CSC hypertext 2 dot html. Just we are checking whether it is working or not. Okay, if I click the go to page 2 means the control have to go to the second page. Okay, F5. Okay, just a link is there. Observe that go to page 2. If I click the go to page 2, the control will come to the this is the page 2. We are not changing the code in the page 2. Okay, just I am going to this one. This is the page 2. Here I am writing this is page 2. Okay, this is page 3. Okay, here F5 refresh. If I am clicking go to page 2, okay, the control comes to this is page 1. Okay, why page 1 is coming? F5, 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 hypertext. Okay, page 2 is not coming. Why? The reason is we have not saved this file. This is very very important. After making any change, you have to save that file. Control S. Okay, CSC hypertext 3. Okay, Control S. Now it is changed. Saved. Okay, Control S. Okay, I am going to the page 1. Okay, this is the page 1 F5. Go to page 2. Now the control comes to the second page. In the second page also I am writing the same code. Okay, Control C, copy, second page. I am typing the same. Go to page 2. Go to page 2, that's enough. Whenever go to page 3, here if I click the page here means the control have to go to page 3 using href. Href is the attribute of the anchor tag. Once again, href is the attribute of the anchor tag. Href stands for hyperreference. Whenever we click the text between a and /a, that is called hypertext, the control will redirect to the page specified within the href attribute. Okay, control S, save. The same code I am placing page 3 also. This is not saved as a HTML file. Okay, save as HTML hypertext 3. Okay, this is another HTML file, page 3. Control V. Here I am go to page 1. Go to page 1. Okay, CSE hypertext 1 .html, go to page 1. If I am in page 1, I am clicked this text means the control will go to the page 2. In page 2, I am clicked the go to page 3 means the control will come to the third page. In page 3, I am clicked this go to page 1 means the control will come to the browser will direct the page to CSE hypertext 1.html. Control S. Just now I am running this program. Is it working or not? We will see. Here F5 refresh. Go to page 3. Okay, I am expecting break, not on the same line, next line. For getting the next line, what we have to do here? Here the break tag. In order to getting the next line, break tag. Here also I am using the break tag in order to getting the next line, break. Control S. Don't forget, save the file. Save the file, Control S. The first one is also already saved. Okay, now I am moving to the browser, F5. Okay, go to page 3. Now at current, this is page 2. Now I am in page 2. Go to page 3. Okay, whenever I am clicked go to page 3, this is page 3, third page. Now we are in the third page. Go to page 1. If we are clicked the go to page 1, now we are within the page 1. Go to page 2. We are moving from one page to another page. Page 1, page 2, page 3. Okay, in page 2, go to page 3 means now we are in page 3. Now we are in page 1. Now we are in page 2. Okay, to this file we will add a little bit of images also. Okay, it is more interesting if we add images to this file. Okay, I am moving to the file previous class 3. Okay, I am copying these images, CSE students, DS1 logo, MVRS, Control C, copy. I am placing class 4, Control V, I am pasting these files. Okay, cscstu.png. In page 1, I am placing the image. Image can be placed using the image tag src equal to cscstu.png. cscstu.png. Okay, because this file is available in this folder only. Control C. Next, I am placing here image ds logo.jpg. What is the type of the file? We will see here. What is the type of the file logo? Here logo JPG type. MVRS is also JPG type. TS is also JPG type. Okay, logo.jpg. Just in every page I am putting some image file. Control C, Control V, ds or ds class 4 ds1.jpg or ds anyone ds1.jpg. Okay, I am placed the images also. Control S, save this one. I have saved this second page. Control S, saving the first page. Control S. Okay, now I am opening the first page. How we will open the first page? Just here 3 files is there. Hypertext 1, hypertext 2. We have to save the file as HTML type. Okay, hypertext 1, hypertext 2, hypertext 3. These are the 3 files. This notepad pad is not required. Just I am clicking this one. The first file is opened. Okay, in the first file, one image we are displaying this one. Go to page 2. Now the control will go to, at the bottom we have observed that the control will go to CSC hypertext 2.html. This is the second file. In second file we have placed the image, our college logo. This is the college logo.jpg. Okay, go to page 3. If I am clicked this one, I am come to here. In this image, I want whenever the mouse appeared on my face. Okay, this is my image. Whenever the mouse appeared on my face, I am expecting that my name to be displayed. What I have to do here, in this one HTML, I will go to title. Title equal to Srinivas. Srinivas. Title equal to Srinivas. Control S. Okay, the file is saved. Okay, go to page. I am going to the page 1, page 2, page 3. Okay, when the mouse is appeared here. Okay, is it Srinivas is coming or not? F5. Okay, no Srinivas. Okay, some mistake is there. We will see what's going on. Image SRC in. Okay, see what is the mistake. I have not written in ds1.jpg. Okay, I have written the title attribute within the logo.jpg. That is the mistake. Okay, see, just here concept is important. Okay, just in logo.jpg my name is coming or not. Just we will observe here. Okay, go to page 1, not here. Go to page 2. Yes, whenever the mouse is on the image, my name is appearing. This is the hyperlink. Go to page 1, go to page 2, go to page 3. Okay, in this fashion, we will use the hyperlinks. In the first page, go to page 1. Senior students 2008 batch. Here, whenever the mouse is appeared onto the image, I am expecting the some matter 2008 batch CSC students that will come here. What I have to do? Here for this image I will go here, right, not to here in this one CSC hypertext that one. Title, write the attribute for displaying title equal to CSC 2009 batch students. CSC 2009 batch students. Control S. Just I am going to the browser, press F5 refresh. Okay, when the mouse appear to CSC 2009 batch students. Go to page 2. Here logo, this is not Srinivas, this is college logo. Okay, go to page 3. Whenever the mouse appear here, nothing is there, just because we have not written any title tag. Okay, this is about anchor tag. Here the concept is anchor tag. Okay, this is called clickable text. Whatever the text we are written between A and slash A here, this is the anchor A and slash A. This is called clickable text. Okay, okay, that very number of attributes is there. Among all the attributes, the important attribute is href. Href stands for hyperreference. Here we will specify the page address. Okay, according to this address, the control will go to this page. Okay, now my requirement is this one. Go to page 1. Now I am in page 3. I am expecting here go to page 1, go to page 2. Okay, if I click here means go to page 1, the control will go to page 1. I am expecting here page 2 also. Now I want to go to second page, not page 1. Okay, I want to go to second page means what I have to do? Click this one, go to page 2. Okay, what is the another alternative way? Here only I will directly write go to page 2 option also. Okay, here I will write go to page 2. In page 3, I will write the option go to page 2. Control C, Control V, break tag, BR for break tag. It will next onwards display on the next line. Go to page. This is page 3. go to page 1, page 2. Then what is the name of the file? CSC hypertext 2.html. Control S. Okay. Okay, Control S saved. F5. Here go to page 1. If I am clicking page 1 means I will go to page 1. Okay. In page 3. If I am clicking here means no need to go to page 1. I am directly coming to the page 2, second web page. Okay, the same technique will be applied within the rest of the pages also. Okay, this is page 3. Go to page 3. What is the another page? Go to page 1. CSC hypertext 1.html. Go to page 1. Okay, here I am writing break. Okay, in page 1 also. Actually, link is there to go to page 2. I want to directly jump to page 3. BR. Not via page 2, directly page 3. Go to page 3. Save. Okay, all of them are saved or not. Second one, Control S. Third one, Control S. Okay, now I am running this one. Okay, hyper click this one. This is the first page. If I want to go to second page means I will click this one. This is called hyperlink. Go to second page. If I click this one means the control will go to third page. If I click this one means page 1. Okay, it is possible to move from any page to any other page. Go to page 2. Suppose 10 pages is there. 10 links I will place that. From the starting page I will move to any other page. Page 1. Okay, working. Page 2 working. Page 3 working. Page 2 working. Now I am in page 2, page 1 or page 3. Okay, the hyperlink is like this. Suppose I am in this page. Control C, Control V. Go to page 3. Nothing is there. Inside of this one, I am putting empty one. Control S, I am saving this file. Okay, this is page 3. DSR. I have written, note that I am saving this file in page 3. I have written here DSR. Okay, this is page 3. Okay, this is the page 3.html. Here now I am typing the enter. Okay, DSR is there. Go to page 3. If I click go to page 3 means what will happen? Nothing, because nothing is there. Okay, go to page 3 I am clicked means nothing will happen. Okay, just because nothing is there in hyperreference. Now I am changing DSR to MVR, MVRCOE. Okay, Control S. In order to refresh this page, what we are doing? F5. In order to refresh this page, some updations is there in this page. CSC hypertext 3.html. Some updations are there. Okay. In order to update that one, what button we are pressing? F5. Suppose if I am pressed this button, go to page 3. Once again, automatically this page will be updated. MVRCOE. Okay. Nothing is there means it is also helpful sometimes. Whenever we are clicked that one, that page will be refreshed. Okay. Empty means go to page 3. Nothing, empty means what will happen? The same page will come once again. That means equal to pressing the button F5 is equal to the refreshing. Okay, or go to page 3. Okay, see MVRCOE. Once again I am trying this one. CSC class 4 welcome. Welcome I want to display in big, very big, H1. In order to display big font header, I am using H1. CSC class 4 welcome H1. Previously covered this tag element H1 element. Go to page 3, Control S. This file is saved. Okay. In order to refresh this page, what I have to do? F5. What is the another alternative way? Go to page 3. Go to page 3 means this page will be refreshed. Okay, go to page 1. The page 1, go to page 2, second page, go to page 1, page 2, page 3. Okay, like that we can move one page to another page. Okay. Okay, I will give one task to you. Okay, try to solve this one. Make the photo of you, yourself, your father, and your mother, your friends. Okay, take 4 photos. Okay, each photo is placed in one HTML file. Whenever you are clicked your father means the control will go to the father page. Whenever you are clicked mother means the browser will direct to mother page. Whenever you are clicked the friend page means the control will redirect the friend page. From friend it is put all possible things. Keep all possible things. It is possible to come from mother page to your page, or mother page to friend page, mother to friends page, or friend page to any other the remaining 3 pages. Okay, like that work with HTML hyperlinks. The next tag, and this is also important tag, is target tag. We will see about. In this class, I am covered the topic anchor tag with the href attribute. Okay, if I start target tag, it will take some more time. In next session, we will cover about the target attribute of anchor tag. Okay, the task, to complete the task given moving from 4 pages, father to mother, mother to father, or friends, like that. That is the exercise today in web technologies. Okay, once again I am saying web technologies is a very easy subject among all the subjects. If the starting onwards, if you show interest towards this HTML web technologies means, okay, for learning Android and applications or other PHP applications, advanced applications, any, those are easy. Okay, stay home, stay safe, have a nice day. Next week, if possible, I will conduct one live session with all of you. Have a nice day. Bye.